Hello, saxophonists. Let's work on line 8, 4x4. So first things first. Let's look at the notes we have in the song. We have a new note in the song called an A. So if I click on it, it says here that A is 1 and 2. Okay, and then we have a B, which is just first finger. Okay, and then we have over here the D that we've already learned, which is thumb 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we have at the end a C, which is just second finger. Okay, so please review your fingerings if you need to. You can pause the video, go back and look at the fingerings, or you can go to Smart Music and click on the notes. Okay, let's play an A together. Once you're ready, let's grab your saxophone, get in playing position, fold that bottom lip under, teeth on top. A is 1 and 2. Here's what it sounds like. Play an A with me. Ready and hold. Okay, now let's play those 4 A's here at the beginning, and we're going to use our tongue 4 times on that. We're going to go 2, 2, 2. Touch your reed to the center of the, right in the middle of the reed, right below the tip. Okay, use like a thu, thu, thu with your tongue. Here's what 4 A's sound like. Keep the air blowing. Listen to it. Try it with me. Ready? 1 and 2. Move your tongue. Here we go. Now we're going to add one more note on that. After 4 A's, let's add a B right at the end. So we're going to go from 2 fingers and then quickly, boom, just a first finger. Okay? I'm going to play it. Would you play it back to me? Here's the first 5 notes of the song starting on that A. Listen to it first. You got to move your fingers and move the tongue right at the same time. Try it with me, saxophones. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and breathe. You may need to pause the video to practice that over and over until you get a good sound going. Remember, please keep the air blowing. Here's what we don't want, saxes. We don't want to do this. That's where I'm stopping the air after every note and I'm not using my tongue. It's not the sound we want. Instead, blow steady air and let your tongue touch the reed quickly. Just touch and release, okay? All right, so that's the first 2 measures. Measures, remember, is a box of notes here, and this box has 4 notes in it. So this is the first measure. Here's the second measure. Notice it has 4 notes, has a note plus 3 rests. So 1, 2, 3, 4 notes. Now we're going to look at the third measure of music. And this third measure has 4 D's in it. So let's get our thumb down. Fingers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And let's hold a D first. Make sure we get a good sound. So here's what the D sounds like. Get in plain position. Keep those cheeks firm. Corners of your mouth firm so your cheeks don't puff. And here's what the D sounds like. Play it with me. Now let's add our tongue on that. Ready? Let's tongue it 4 times like it says. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and breathe. Try it again. 1, 2, big breath of air. Move your tongue. Okay, you want to pause the video and practice that till you get a good sound on that D. Once that sounds good, saxes, look after the 4 Ds. We have a C now. First, second finger, middle finger, right? So we're going to go from the Ds and then quickly to just the middle finger. And don't forget to move your thumb off that thumb key for the C, okay? The thumb is down for the D. The thumb is off the key for the C. Okay, down for the D, off for the C. Okay? Okay, so here's the C. Let's hold a C together, just second finger. Get in plain position. Try that C with me. Ready and play. Okay, if you got that sound going, let's play now the last 2 measures. This measure plus this measure of notes. Okay, 4 Ds and 1 C. Ready? Got to move your fingers fast. Make sure you move your tongue. Here we go. 1, 2, ready and play. Listen to it. Play it with me. Move your tongue and keep the air blowing. Ready? 1, 2, play it together. Ready, go. Okay, let's say the song together. Start at the beginning. Move your fingers as you say it. Let's say it only, okay? Don't play it. Just say it. Here we go. And ready? Let's say it go. A, A, B. Now get your fingers ready for that D. Here we go. D, 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 C. Let's reset your fingers back to the beginning. Ready? Go. Oops, sorry about that. The song should have repeated. Notice at the end it says repeat sign. What is a repeat sign? A repeat sign is where these dots are. If you ever see that at the end of a piece of music, it means do the whole song again, or repeat that section. Okay? So we would normally do the song twice. Okay, let's go ahead and play it this time, Saxes. If you can move your fingers in time and say it, that's great. If you can't, I would pause the video and just say it a few times. We go A, A, B, and just move your fingers in time as you say it. Okay? All right, let's try it from the beginning, and that might be a little fast. So if you need to slow it down, let's slow it down to 60. Okay, and let's try it at that speed. Would you try playing it with me, Saxes, if you're ready for it? If not, you can always pause the video and practice it. Okay, here we go. Good luck. We're going to start at the beginning, and we're going to play it 2 times this time. Ready? Breathe. Get ready for the D. Back to the beginning. Get ready. Here comes the A. I'm not sure why it's not repeating, but it should have repeated. So let's try it again, Saxes. Here you go. Ready? Get ready. Here we go. Again. If you practice on smart music and you let the recording finish all the way to the end, then the song will reset and then the repeat will work. If you pause the song early, then the repeat sign won't sometimes work. So that's why the repeat wasn't working earlier. Okay, but normally you would want to play the song 2 times. Okay, all right, practice it slowly, saxophones. Once you get it, our goal speed is 70. But if you can't play it that fast, just slow it down. Practice it slowly until you can get it and then speed it up to 70. Once you got that, please record it. If you get a good score, send it to me. If you don't get the score you want, that's okay. That's why we practice. You just do it over and over until you can get it. Okay? So, all right, saxophones, I hope that helps you on line 8. Good luck, and I'll see you at our next lesson. Okay? Bye, saxes.